Hello friends, you're watching complete Bootstrap tutorial series and this is tutorial 1 on getting started with Bootstrap 3. In this tutorial we will learn what is Bootstrap, why use Bootstrap, some prerequisites of Bootstrap and how to install it. At the end of each tutorial you will have the video, project files and a quiz to test your knowledge. So let's get started and see what is Bootstrap and why use it. So Bootstrap is a web design framework that lets you create web design very easily with minimal effort. So let's take an example. I have a project open in Sublime Text and as you can see there is a table in this HTML and this table has only one class assigned to it. Above that there is another class and some required JS and CSS files for Bootstrap to work properly. So I am focusing only on this table. There is only one class and if I open this web page in the browser it will look like this. You can see that it is different from the normal table. Like it has some nice styling, alignments, margins and paddings. Plus if you open it in the browser and on the mobile it will be different but it will still look better. So it is automatically adjusting according to screen size on the mobile and on the desktop. So this is all done using Bootstrap using only one keyword, that is table. So in Bootstrap you only need to remember the class name and a specific structure to stylize your web pages. You do not need to write the CSS for your web pages. Let's talk about why use Bootstrap. Bootstrap is very popular and it is mobile friendly as you have seen just now and it is tested. That means it will have no errors in it. Plus you can use it with backend languages like PHP, ASP, etc. There are some prerequisites of working with Bootstrap that includes knowledge of HTML, some knowledge of CSS, and a little knowledge of JavaScript, but that is optional. You can use any code editor to write your code, but right now what I am using is called Sublime Text. So let's talk about how to install Bootstrap. Installing Bootstrap is fairly easy. You just need to click this download button here and it will take you to the Bootstrap website. On Bootstrap website you just click this download Bootstrap button and it will show you three options. You just choose this option called download Bootstrap. Once you download the Bootstrap you will have this zip file and in this zip file when you open it you will have three folders in it. Right now I am opening it in the Sublime Text. It has three folders: CSS, fonts and JS folder inside dist folder. The dist folder is called distribution folder and in these three folders you can see there are some other CSS files, some font files and required JavaScript files. So if I open the index.html file, you can see there is some little code written in it. The meta charset UTF-8 is just a universal character encoding that tells the browser that how to encode the characters. For example, if you are using some special characters or some other languages that include special characters, then you might change it accordingly. Next up is this meta name Viewport. Meta name Viewport basically telling the browser that the web page will be 100% of the device width. So if I change initial scale to 1.5, that means that the web page will be 150% of the device width. And next is a title. I have added this title myself and on the next line you have Bootstrap Minified CSS file inside CSS folder. So let me show you where it is. In the CSS folder you have this Bootstrap min.css. With min it means that it is minified. Minified means that it will have no spaces, no indents, no alignments. It is just plain text without spacing. This is just to optimize the file size. And on the next line, I have added the style.css in the CSS folder. This is optional because if you would like to add your own styles, you can add your own style.css after Bootstrap CSS. So this is it. This is just a basic template. Right now, if we run it in the browser, it will not do anything, but it will just show you that how you can integrate Bootstrap in your project. In the next tutorial, we will do some cool stuff and add some more JavaScript, jQuery, and CSS files to get started and start building our complete website using Bootstrap. If you like this video, you can hit like and subscribe to my channel for videos like this. Also, you can download the project files from this link here, and this will take you to the Git repository. You can download the complete tutorial exercise files, and also you can test your knowledge by starting the quiz. Thank you for watching.